How to add pauses in Elevenlabs. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can add pauses in Elevenlabs. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Elevenlabs account just like I've done here. And next thing you must notice is that for you to add pauses in your speech in Elevenlabs, you have to include dashes, commas, or ellipses. These are the ways that you can add pauses strategically into your speech in Elevenlabs. So to do that, while writing your text, ensure that you input as many commas as you want pauses in the speech. All right, you can either decide to include commas or you can decide to include hyphens, or you can decide to make use of ellipses wherever you want a pause. So just go ahead, add all or any of these punctuation marks, and then once you're ready and you're sure that the pauses that you have in the text is enough, just move to the bottom right corner and then click on generate speech. So by clicking on generate speech, your speech should be generated, and then you'll see that you have as many pauses as you desire in your speech. So this is how you can add pauses strategically in your level up speech. I hope this tutorial has helped you. If it has, a like and you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.